Hello viewers, welcome all of you in Tanvir Tech World. I am with you Tanvir. In this tutorial we are going to learn how could we save a Word document file in PDF file. So without further ado, let's begin. So here you can see that I have opened a document in Word. Now I will convert this to a PDF file. So first I have to click on the Office button. Then by holding the mouse pointer over the Save As button, we can see many options here. From here we can see the PDF file options. If we want, we can also click here if we want. If you don't want to, we can click on Save As directly, then select the PDF from the drop down menu and save it. That's it. I guess you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share this video and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button also. You are invited to watch my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay good. Goodbye. Tata.